Created in partnership with the Heart Foundation, this baked sweet potato and prawn frittata makes a delicious weeknight dinner. To get started, grease and line a baking dish with baking paper. Next, peel and thinly slice the sweet potato, then place in a large microwave-safe bowl and cover with a microwave-safe plate. Microwave for 5 minutes or until the sweet potato is just tender. While the sweet potato is cooking, heat the oil in a large frying pan over medium heat. Cook the leek and garlic, stirring for 5 minutes or until the leek is tender. On to the layering. Arrange about a third of the sweet potato in the dish, then top with half the leek mixture, a third of the prawns and a third of the peas. Continue layering with sweet potato, the leek mixture, prawns and peas, finishing with prawns. Next, crack the eggs in a medium-sized bowl, then add the milk, dill and parsley. Season with a little pepper. Whisk until well combined. Slowly pour the egg mixture over the sweet potato. Then sprinkle with half the pepitas and sunflower seeds. Pop the frittata in the preheated oven to bake for 40 to 45 minutes or until the egg is set. Once cooked, set it aside to cool slightly. While the frittata is cooling, make your salad. Place the salad leaves, tomato, onion, cucumber, and the remaining pepitas and sunflower seeds in a large bowl. Drizzle with the vinegar and toss to combine. To serve, cut the frittata into pieces and serve with the salad. Layered with golden sweet potato, leek and prawns, this frittata is a tasty dinner that ticks all the right boxes.